In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Shopify to Big Cartel. Whether you're consolidating your e-commerce platforms or simply transitioning to a new one, moving your domain can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it so you can have your domain up and running on Big Cartel with no hassle. First, let's begin with a little preparation on your Shopify account. You'll need to unlock the domain you intend to transfer. This step is crucial because you'll need a transfer authorization code later. Open up Shopify, go to the Online Store tab, and then select Domains. Here, you'll find your domain name. You'll see an option to unlock the domain. It's usually just a switch you need to toggle. Make sure to unlock it and note that this action might require verification, so have your registered email or phone handy for any confirmation requests. Once the domain is unlocked, the next step is to acquire your transfer authorization code, also known as an EPP code. Still in the Domain section of your Shopify dashboard, locate the button that says Transfer. Clicking this will guide you to a series of instructions. Follow these carefully to receive the authorization code via your registered email. Keep an eye on your inbox, as you will need this code for the next steps. Now that we have everything ready on the Shopify side, let's shift our focus to Big Cartel. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Big Cartel account and navigate to the account settings. Once inside, you'll see an option for domain setup. It's important to have your Shopify transfer authorization code on hand for this. Enter the domain you wish to transfer into the domain field. Big Cartel will prompt you for the EPP code, which you should have received via email from Shopify. Carefully enter this code to initiate the domain transfer process. The transfer may take some time, usually anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, for the domain to fully propagate. During this period, it's essential to ensure your contact details are up to date, both in Shopify and Big Cartel. This accuracy is critical because any discrepancy might delay the process. Once the transfer is complete, revisit your Big Cartel account to verify everything is set up correctly. Go back to the account settings under Domain Setup, and ensure that your domain is now accurately listed there. Make a point to check that your website is live by visiting your domain in a web browser. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your domain from Shopify to Big Cartel. With everything now set up and running smoothly on your new platform, you can start focusing on customizing your store to fit your brand's needs. Thank you for joining us today, and happy selling!